ticket booth, get your tickets here for the lava rescue with our Among Us characters. We have our shows at 2:30, 4:30, 6:30, and 8:30. You could also get some popcorn near Lime. Ticket booth, get your tickets here.
Hi.
Oh, hello, fellow customer. Would you like to see our show?
Yeah.
I want to watch 2:30.
Okay, 2:30 tickets here. You could also get some popcorn.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, here are your tickets.
Thank you.
Ticket booth,
Green,
ticket booth.
hurry up. It's time. 2:29 already.
Enjoy your show, everybody.
Yay.
2:30.
Once upon a time.
In Moora HQ, a volcano erupted. All the Among Us team had to send in 3 Among Us characters to save their planet. Landing in Moora HQ.
Beep.
Oh no, let's put out the lava. I think I might need some help. Yellow,
Yeah, coming.
come on, get your fire extinguisher, hurry.
I'm here.
Oh no, we need even more. Green, come here.
Roger. I'm getting ready. Here we go.
Hurry.
Let's team up. Pull out the lava.
Yay, we're doing it.
Almost done. Last